Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're diving into Monday.com, a popular platform for managing projects and workflows. It offers a highly visual and customizable interface, making it appealing for teams of all sizes and across various industries. One of Monday.com's key strengths lies in its flexibility. You can tailor it to fit your specific needs, whether you're managing marketing campaigns, software development, or even creative projects. This adaptability comes from its building block approach, allowing you to create custom workflows using a variety of elements like timelines, Kanban boards, and calendars. A notable feature of Monday.com is its extensive integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with a wide range of other tools, including popular communication platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams, CRM software like Salesforce, and project management tools like Jira. These integrations help streamline workflows and centralize information, minimizing context switching and boosting overall team productivity. Furthermore, Monday.com provides robust reporting and analytics tools that offer valuable insights into project progress, team performance, and potential bottlenecks. This data-driven approach empowers teams to make informed decisions, optimize their workflows, and ultimately achieve better outcomes. Beyond its core project management features, Monday.com also offers collaborative tools like file sharing, real-time communication, and automated notifications. These features foster a more connected and collaborative work environment, ensuring that everyone stays informed and aligned throughout the project lifecycle. The platform's user-friendly interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those unfamiliar with project management software. This reduces the learning curve and allows teams to quickly adopt and utilize the platform effectively. If you're looking for a versatile, visually appealing, and feature-rich project management solution, Monday.com is definitely worth considering. Its flexibility, integrations, and robust reporting capabilities make it a powerful tool for teams looking to streamline their workflows, improve collaboration, and achieve their project goals.